How to use vinegar in the garden. There's little vinegar can't do around the home. Inside, it's used for cooking, sanitizing surfaces, brightening laundry, and so much more. But vinegar is also helpful outside, and you'll find several uses for it in the garden, where it's an inexpensive and natural way to tackle weeds, insects, and other gardening woes. To help you unlock this product's full potential, we spoke to experts who shared all the ways you can use vinegar in your garden. In this episode, we'll show you 7 amazing things that will happen.
Welcome to The Guardian's Choice.
Number 7. Kills weeds. An excellent natural herbicide. Normal white vinegar can be used to control unruly plants in your garden. Acetic acid in vinegar dries out weeds and kills them easily and effectively. Applying the vinegar should be done with a spray bottle that is full of white vinegar and 2 teaspoons of dish soap, which helps it stick to the leaves. Ideally, spray the vinegar during a hot sunny day in the morning to amplify the drying power of the vinegar on the weeds. Spray the leaves as well as the roots for maximum effect. If it rains, you'll likely have to reapply the spray. If normal white vinegar doesn't work for you, you can pick up a stronger vinegar called horticultural vinegar, which we'll link down below. For that vinegar, you'll need to be diluted 3 parts water to 1 part vinegar. Try to avoid spraying vinegar near sensitive areas like water features or established beds. Number 6. Control insects. You can use a diluted solution of vinegar to eliminate harmful insects in the garden, but avoid using full-strength vinegar so that you don't accidentally harm good garden plants. Create a solution of equal parts vinegar and water and spray it around problem areas in your yard. While the results may be temporary, vinegar is known to be especially useful for controlling ants, partly because the acid erases their scent trails, which they use for navigation. Number 5. Deter wild animals. Some animals, like squirrels, raccoons, deer, and rabbits, can damage your garden in different ways. But the strong odor of vinegar can sometimes discourage all of these animals from entering in the first place. You don't want to spray vinegar unnecessarily around your garden plants, but one animal deterrent solution is to soak a few old cloth rags with vinegar and hang them around the perimeter of your garden. You'll have to refresh the vinegar periodically to keep the scent active, but it's a pretty simple solution, and you may get results. Number 4. Removes rust from garden tools. If you have old rusty tools that you wish were shiny and new again, vinegar is an effective cleaning tool for rust. Spray tools with a healthy amount of vinegar, then wrap them in a paper towel, and then a plastic bag. Repeat this step for each tool that's rusty, and let the vinegar sit on the tools for a full day. The next day, you want to pull out the tools and start scrubbing them with a brush and some baking soda. The baking soda will neutralize the acidity from the vinegar. Just make sure to wash them clean afterwards. And just like that, your garden tools will look brand new again. Number 3. Fungus and mold removal. Heavily shaded plants may develop fungus or mold. Spraying these plants with vinegar will help to remove those molds and fungus. This technique can actually be used indoors too. So if you've got a musky old basement, you can actually wipe down the walls with it. Number 2. Clean garden walkways. If you have brick walkways or limestone pavers in your garden, you know how unattractive white calcium or other mineral deposits can be on them. An equal parts mix of vinegar and water can make a nice solution for breaking down these deposits and loosening them enough so you can easily scrub away the remains. Number 1. Acidify the soil. Plants that thrive in more acidic soil will benefit from being sprayed with vinegar. Begonias, gardenias, blue hydrangea, holly, azalea, bleeding heart, blueberries, and pine trees. First off, you'll want to test your soil's acidity, which can actually be done with a tester we've linked below. If your soil needs more acidity, then add 2 tablespoons of vinegar to 1 gallon or 3.8 liters of water. Water your plants thoroughly, then check the pH daily to see where it's at. If you are so inclined, you can monitor and change the pH per plant for the ideal growing conditions. Hopefully enjoy these vinegar garden tips and have a great day. And don't forget to subscribe.